Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Anker Soundcore Bluetooth wireless speaker. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. Everything looks great. So this features a 24-hour battery life, and it's IPX5 rated. It features Bluetooth 4.2. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our product literature. So we have our customer service and contact card, followed by our welcome guide that's in multiple languages, walking us through everything we need to know about this speaker. So what's included, how to charge it, how to connect to it, how to control it, and the tech specs. So charging time 5 to 6 hours, playback time that's going to vary by volume level up to 24 hours, and it's IPX5 rated, which means it can survive splashes of water. Next, you can see we have our USB Type A to micro USB charging cable. And last but not least, we have the speaker itself right here, so check it out. At the top, we have our 5 different control buttons. On the right side, you can see we have our mic, our power, our auxiliary in, and our LED indicator. You can see from the left side, we have nothing over there. Here it is from the back side with Anker's logo and branding. Looking at it from the front side, same thing on the grill. We have the Anker logo and branding right there. And on the bottom, you can see we have 4 individual feet. We have the Soundcore branding and our model information. This is the A3102. Input 5 volts, 1 amp. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So on our mobile device right here, you can see second from the bottom, we have our Anker Soundcore option. We're gonna select that and it's gonna pair and connect to the device for us. So there we go, active and everything's connected. Now let's play some music. So first up, we're gonna sample a couple of seconds of the song Backseat Broken by Music Chef. It's DMCA Stream Safe Music. You can find wherever you get your music. So we're gonna play a couple of seconds streaming it from Spotify to the speaker. So let's give it a listen. It's actually got some bass. We can control it from the device itself, right? Turning the volume up or down. We can use our mobile phone. We can also play and pause it right from the speaker as well. Now let's go ahead, let's try out another song. Now we're gonna play the song Shoot for the Moon from Music Chef off the album Level Up. This is a hip hop beat, so we'll go ahead, we'll sample that now. Lastly, from the same album, we're going to play a couple of seconds of the song Pushing Through. For this being so small, the sound is definitely richer and fuller than I was expecting. Now let's go ahead, let's try out the IPX5 waterproof rating. So we got our spray bottle here, we have music playing. Let's go ahead, let's get it wet. We're gonna do it from all sides. Just spraying it with jets of water. And nothing has affected it yet. Again, we have the ports there. No water has gotten into the speaker. It still sounds the same. Sounds really good. Let's crank it up. So no issues there at all. If this happens to get wet because it's out in the rain, maybe it's by the pool, the dock, that sort of thing, and you do a cannonball, whatever, and you splash, you spill a drink on it, shouldn't have any issues there at all with this getting wet thanks to its IPX5 waterproof rating.
All right, now we're testing out the built-in mic quality. This is your raw, unedited audio, so you can hear how it sounds if you wanted to use this Anker Bluetooth speaker to make and take phone calls, anything along those lines. Now keep in mind, we have the speaker an arm's length away from us, so you can hear how everything sounds. But we can also bring it really close if you wanted to talk into the actual mic on the speaker. But chances are you'll have it on a table, a chair, somewhere nearby. You can have your conversation, whether you're listening to music, maybe somebody calls in, you want to answer the phone really quickly, you can do that with this speaker, which is nice, and they can actually hear you, and you can talk back, right? So always good to have that built-in mic, just giving us more functionality with our device.
So after listening back to the audio, it's definitely muffled, but you could theoretically use this to make and take phone calls if you desire. And honestly, at this price point, I'm just impressed they even included a microphone at all to give us that option if we really wanted to use it. Overall, I really just can't find that many faults with the speaker due to its highly competitive price. Now, with that being said, if I'm getting really picky, here are some of the things I'd want to see improved in the future. First one, obviously the microphone. Second one, I'd love to have USB Type-C charging. Third option, maybe give us a USB Type-A port on there, or with that Type-C, the ability to charge other devices directly from our speaker so it could act more like a power bank too. I'd love to have that feature. Maybe some cool RGB lights. I think that'd be fun, kind of make it a party speaker and a party light. And lastly, I would love to have the ability for this to be fully waterproof so we could take it in the pool, the lake, that sort of thing, fully submerge it in water without any issues. But again, all those features that I want are going to increase the price of this device, and honestly, Anker and Soundcore make a lot of the devices with those features that I'm requesting. So this definitely fills a certain spot within the market, and it does a great job. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.